Welcome back to Wicked F150. So today's video is F150 LEDs fog lights. So if you are a subscriber, you already know that I have their high and low beams, and finally upgraded to their fog lights as well. And I already have one in. I wanted to do the comparison right off the bat. So I am perfectly in the middle of the truck. And you can see that one's brighter than that one. Now, the colors are pretty similar. I mean, I can't say too much about that. These do match, of course, better. It's the same bulb. This one, I mean, it's not off horribly, but it's of course not the same. So there is a slight variation, but you can tell that that one's a whole hell of a lot brighter. Standing here, I'm not sure, obviously you guys can't tell because of the glare from the light and the camera, but standing here, I can't really see the lens on the fog light because it's so bright. On this one which is BeamTech, this one I can see the entire lens. I can see every little dirt speckle that is on the fog light lens. F150 LEDs, I cannot. That is the difference. I mean, like I said, the color, if you're after them for the color and you already have a color that you like and color's all that matters, I mean, they match enough. But of course, I'd still upgrade to these because it's a better match and it gives you more light. Now, the set of fog lights from F150 LEDs, this is the bulb with a ton of LED lights. The chips are the LEDs in case you were unaware. Those are the lights, and it does come with this resistor here just in case. As any good quality lights, they should automatically come with these. Now the BeamTech, you just get the bulb. That's it. Now I did not have any flickering with them, none, but better safe than sorry. Helps the power ratio within the lights in your truck. But that is what is in the passenger side that I showed you, and we'll throw this in, and my lighting needs are perfected because of F150 LEDs. You're not really going to be able to tell the difference of output because of course the headlights are on as well, so you're not getting just fog lights, but you need them. I'm telling you, you need them. These F150 LEDs, their lights, all of them, are absolutely amazing. I mean, from the headlights to the fog lights to their light bars to their interior kits, absolutely amazing. I have had these, the interior kit and the light bar, for quite a while now. It's been quite a few months, and I've had zero issues. They, of course, have a year warranty, just like, you know, other bulbs have a year warranty or sometimes even less. And their customer service is absolutely amazing, which plays the biggest part when you want to buy something. You want to know the company of the product you're buying stands behind their product and will help if there is an issue. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. I have seen, you know, reviews and comments from people that have had their stuff and they've had issues, but it is always taken care of because of their amazing customer service. That just should tell you all you need to know. But of course you need to know the product's amazing, which is why you watch these videos, so now you know they are amazing. But for, you know, the money shot, let's see all their lights on.
Participating locations only. Some restrictions apply. See stores for details. So here is tonight's
Bright, bright, bright. I don't think I'll have any trouble seeing anything, no matter how far away it is, I'm telling you. The 50-inch light bar up there, highs and lows, and fog's able to run because of force scan, and then of course their 20-inch light bar, which goes in the lower grill there. Man, That's just a sexy ass truck, and you can't deny it is. It is perfect. But let's turn these off and continue on with some surprises. And now for the end of the video. Of course, if you follow along on Instagram or anything like that, you know that the factory bumper was just on, and this is now back on. So, like I said in the last video, I had issues with the paint on the bumper for whatever reason, so I had it powder coated. And just here, you can tell the difference in color. I was hoping it would be a little closer, but this is more of a pure white, and the Oxford white Ford color is kind of like a dirty white. So, I mean, it is close. I mean, it's white, but you can tell the difference, of course. I am going to see, I may change that, the inside of the fog light bracket to black. I don't know, we'll see how I feel about it. I kind of like it at the moment, but like I said, we'll see. But those are the brackets that Iron Goat Garage here in Yukon, Oklahoma did for me so that I could retain the factory fog lights from my regular F-150 bumper. It's just steel welded in behind the steel bumper. And if you guys seen in the other videos, this piece, these corners, I could poke it like that and it would wobble back and forth. There was zero support, none whatsoever. So with this bracket, he also put a bracket on the top side to go to the frame, so it's sturdy. I could not be happier with him. He did a wonderful job. So of course, if you need any work done, period, Iron Goat Garage in Yukon, Oklahoma. And it really doesn't matter where you are in the country either. It really doesn't. But I said there was one more thing with the roll bar, and boom. So this was the final thing, was adding these LED lights to the logo in the roll bar. I don't know why people have such an issue with me calling it that. I know it's not a real one, but it's not a chase rack. There's nothing in there to hold the tire, so it's a roll bar. But LED lit logo. That looks amazing. I love it. As soon as it's just a hint dark, those things are on. I love being able to drive with them on, grab a little bit more attention, and it came out perfectly. It really did. Look at that. Ugh. And yeah, they are red. I see on the camera for whatever reason they're looking a little orange. But tell me that just doesn't look awesome. Iron Goat Garage, I mean, I could not be happier with any of the work that they have done for me. I really can't. If you need any work, go to them. But that is all of the surprises that I had. Bumpers back on, the custom fog lights brackets that were made, and the light in the roll bar. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, check out F150LEDs.com for any of your F-150 lighting needs, whether it's actually even a HUD display, interior lighting, dome lighting, headlights, fog lights, rear lights, anything. Just go to them. I mean, amazing people. If you're anywhere and you want your vehicle worked on, old, new, doesn't matter, especially custom work, Iron Goat Garage here in Yukon, Oklahoma. And I hope to see you guys at the OKC International Auto Show tomorrow morning. Coffee and Cars, 8 to 10. See you next time.